Hello everyone. In the previous video tutorial we have learned that how to do line work in the Google Earth Pro and then how we can convert that KMZ and KML file into shapefile in Global Mapper as well as in ArcGIS Pro. We will open those shapefile here in ArcGIS Pro and then we will reproduce that map here in ArcGIS Pro. Open those shapefiles, click on the map and the ribbon and now click on add data, or you can also press Alt plus D from your keyboard. This is the project folder. Click on this folder, Geological Map, and we have map line work shapefiles. You can also add these shapefile one by one, or you can press shift key on the keyboard and select the last and the first and then OK. So you will add at once all of your shape files. You can also change the order of the shape files. You can drag these shape file and you can change the order of these shape file from here like this. So let me hollow this study area, double click on it. It will You will access the symbology from here and then select black outline. You can also make a right click on this icon and you can also select the color from here. You can fill the color from here as well, or you can select no color from here as well, or right click on the shapefile and go to symbology. You can also access the symbology from here as well, and then here, and you can select any color or symbol from here. So actually I don't have the formation shape file, so let me open the formation shape file. Open the formation shape file, add data. Now open this folder and this is the formation shape file. So you have the formation contact shape file as well as the remaining other structures in study area. Now we will learn how to create a shapefile in ArcGIS Pro. Go to the Analysis tab and click on the Tools. These are the geoprocessing tools. All of the tools are available here. These are some of the favorite tools are that are instantly and recently used tools and the favorite tools. Click on the toolboxes and you can access all of the toolbox from here. Tools from here like the project Geological Map tools, 3D Analyst tool, and all of the tools are listed here. So I can also search here the tool. We can also search the tool here and we can access it from here. So I will search create feature class tool so that I could generate the shape file. Create feature class. Wait a bit for it. So these are the tools that are available here. So we will use the data management tool, create feature class. you can name the feature name. I will create one for the structure and one for the formation, and select the geometry type. You can select multi-point, point, polygon, polyline, and multi-page. So for now I will select polygon because I want to digitize formation. So for that I need polygon geometry. Leave other thing as a default and select the coordinate system. You can select the current map coordinate system as well as you can access from here. Select the coordinate system, click on this globe icon, and you can select geographic coordinate system or projected coordinate system. To select the geographic coordinate system and projected coordinate system, you should know that your area is, if it's occur in multiple UTM zones, so you can select geographic coordinate system, or it is in just one UTM zone, then you can select projected coordinate system. For now my area is falling in the UTM north 42 zone, so I will select projected coordinate system. For projected coordinate system, to select it, double click on it, scroll down and select UTM. Now WGS 1984 northern hemisphere. My area is in the northern hemisphere actually. I will also show you that how you can find the UTM zone for your area of interest. So actually my UTM zone is 42 north. Okay, now run it. So you can see that your formation shapefile is appear on the left content pane. Now only change the name, structures, and also the change the geometry type to polyline, because I will digitize faults, anticline, syncline in the line tool. Now run it. So you have created structure, polygon, and formation. One of the file we have, one of the shape file that have, there is also the formation, but it's actually a line that we have created in the Google Earth, or we have digitized all of our contacts in the line format. And this is the study area. I'll put the study area on above the formation. Okay. Now to create or to trace different formation that are available within our map, we have to go to the formation attribute table and now add field here. Add field, name it, name. I'll put the name of the formation here, so I named it, and change the data type. Short, long, big integer, float, double, all these are used for the integers and as well as for the digits. And I will select text. Now save it from here, save it so that your field should be added here. Now cross it. You have successfully added the name field here. Now we will check our geological map that what formation are available are within our map, so that we will be adding those formation name within the attribute table or form of the formation shapefile. So let me check it. This is the geological map. So we have Ormara Formation, extrusive mud volcanoes, recent sub-recent deposit, Haru conglomerates, Parkini Formation, Hengelaj Formation, and Panjgor Formation. We will add one by one in the shapefile. So click to add new row. Now Ormara Formation. Now click to add new row and check mud volcanoes. Enter. Now we have added all of the formation into our shapefile. Now go to edit and save it from here so that all of your data within the attribute table will be saved from here. Yes. Now cross it and also save your project. Alright. Now right click on the formation and go to symbology. Select the unique values and add all of the formation names, and you can select field the name. All of your formation will be added here. I don't need all other values, so I will uncheck it from here. More, include all other values. I will uncheck it. I don't need all other values. Okay, so you can see that the order of our formation is um, uh, not in the proper order, so we will order our formation from the older in the bottom and younger at the top. So to do this, click on the recent deposit. This is actually Ormara formation is actually the younger formation here, but the recent deposit is the younger formation here. So I will select the recent deposit and I will move selected value up. You can up this from here, from this upward arrow, but you can also select and drag that to the top. I'll prefer this one because this is very easy to do it. So now mud volcano, then Ormara formation, And now let me check the Haro and Perkini. Now go to the symbology again from here, or you can go to the right click on the formation and go to the symbology from there as well. Now once again let me check the Haro, Perkini, Hinglaj. Haro, Perkini, Hinglaj and Pogo. Okay, so I have ordered all of my all of my formations. So now I'm able to digitize or trace those formation. So let me start it. Click on the formation and go to the edit and this create feature R control plus shift plus C. You can press from your keyboard. Select this one. Okay, and now select what is this formation. Let me check it in my map. So you have to also to open your map in the side another window. Okay, or Mara form. Okay, let me check it from here. So this formation is actually Henglaj formation. Okay, let me once again go to the create feature. This is the create feature, or you can also access from here as well. You can pin all these feature from here. Let me cross it. So you can pin that on the side, on the right side like this, or you can float it like this, and you can also set where you want it like this. Let me once again float it. You can also place it here like here, and also you can do like this, but I will place it here. This is the right position here, and I will pin it auto height. So select the form which formation that was. Henglaj formation. You can change the color after, or you can also change the color right now as well. Henglaj. Now you have a lot of tools available in the ArcGIS Pro that can be used for different purpose. This is the line tool. You can digitize like this through a line. Double click it, so it will complete the polygon. Or and to clear the selection, this blue selection, you can clear this selection from here. Clear. Okay, or you can select from here like this. Clear. Okay, but I don't need it, so I will delete it. So you can also do press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, or you can delete this from here. Delete. Yes, delete it permanently. So once again, let me go to the and select this. You can you can select the right angle line as well. How the right angle tool work? It will 8 points and will have the right angle of 90 like this, but I don't need this one as well. And you can also select the arc, but I don't need this one as well. Double click on it, delete it. All right, so we have also available a streaming tool. Once you select it and then you drag it, it will create a polygon. Right click, you can finish it or you can cancel it. So I will cancel it. All right, Now once again, let me go to the create feature and then select it. And this is the tool, this is the a very powerful tool that we will be using for our digitization of geological map. This is called trace tool. We will trace all of our lines, formation lines through this trace tool. And this will speed your producing of geological map and ArcGIS Pro or as well as in the ArcMap as well. You can use this tool in ArcMap as well. So let me select this trace tool and now zoom in here and select from here like this. This is how ArcGIS Pro works. Clear the selection. I don't need the selection. Okay. And this is the recent deposits. These are the recent deposits. Let me check it in the map. These are the recent deposits. Some of the recent deposit I have marked here, and in this part of the map. So let me select the recent deposits. Now select the recent deposits and trace. Clear the selection. You can also save your create feature, the feature that you have created. You can save it from here. Edit, save it. And also you can save your project, or you can press Ctrl S from your keyboard. Okay. Now let me digitize this formation. But first I will have to check. This is actually Panjgur formation. Let me select Panjgur. Now click it here. Now let me zoom in it so that to minimize the mistakes here, like this. So you can see that I have, let me zoom in it. Just only one click and then again click here, so you will continue your tracing. This trace tool is very fast tool. Clear the selection. Alright, let me get rid out of all of the anticline, syncline, because I'm not producing it here and it's creating a confusion. So I will, okay. Now check this formation. This is also Ormara formation, but let me check it. Yeah, this is Ormara formation. So you can see that I have made a mistake here. So I will delete this one. and I will digitize it again like this. Double click. Clear this feature. By mistake, I didn't change the Panjgur formation. I didn't selected the actually this formation is Ormara formation, but I didn't selected the Ormara formation. I have digitized same is like the uh, Panjgur formation. But don't worry, we have another solution for this. You don't have to delete this. Just pick the select tool, select it, right click on it, and go to the attribute. Now we have the attribute. Now select on choose symbol class and select the Ormara formation and click apply. So you can change the shapefile from here as well like this. Now clear the selection. Okay. Now let me go to the create feature. First, let me once again. This formation is actually Perkini formation. Let me digitize this formation is Perkini formation. This one. This whole formation is Perkini. This one. Let me select the trace tool. It is also a recent deposit. You can double click on the on this line to end the polygon, or you can right click on it and finish. So it will also finish it like this. This whole formation is the Hinglage formation. So let me select it from here. Now let me zoom in it. Don't worry about this formation. We will clip it out from here at the end. Clear the selection. Let me check this. This is okay. This is actually Haru conglomerate and we have marked it as a Ormara formation. Then let me change the this formation once again to Haru conglomerate. Now change it from here to Haru conglomerate. Apply. Okay. Now clear the selection and save all of your editings from here. Don't forget to save your editings and to save your project. Although GIS Pro provide backup as well. If you if you have accidentally crashed your project, you can the ArcGIS Pro can uh, give you a backup. Now this is Ormara. Select the trace tool. Now connect this and start the editing. Clear the selection and now digitize this formation. Actually, I have selected this is an Ormora formation, but actually this is mud volcanoes. So let me once again change this to mud volcanoes. Apply. Okay. And this formation is actually Ormara formation. Select the trace tool. Clear selection, and now the recent deposits. You can see that the color of this, when I'm digitizing it, the color is same like the Ormara formation, but when I double click it, it will automatically change the color. It's actually within the trace tool. We have this issue in the trace tool, but this is not the issue that we have to worry about it. We don't have to worry about it. It's okay. It's changed instantly. Now clear it and save it from here. Don't forget to save your project as well. Alright. Now we have left with these two and also one here. Now let me check it. This is Henglage and the remainings are the mud volcanoes. I have to zoom in it so to minimize the risk of the mistakes. You can see that I have made a mistake, so let me control. You can also press Ctrl Z on your keyboard, or you can delete this shapefile. This digitize part of your feature. Now click it like this. All right. Let me select mud volcanoes. This is actually a mud volcano. So let me get rid out of this like this. Select the straight segment tool and now again select the trace tool and zoom in so you have it. So to minimize this error like this. Now select it. I am okay. Again I have this error. So let me once again select this and now let me zoom in a bit more. Alright, now let me digitize this one. All right. You can uncheck it, clear the selection. Okay. We also have here, we also have another polygon here, but there is hide uh, behind the recent deposits. So let me uh, select no color for the recent sediments so I could see the mud volcano. Now you can create or digitize this mud volcano as well. Now select it. All right. Now you can select color for this. Change the color. I will recolor all these formation once I complete all the map and all of the working. I will at the end I will change the color of this map. So I have almost completed all of the formations. This is actually Arabian Sea. I can also select um, Arabian Sea as well, but I will not digitize it for now. All right. Now you can select. Uh, Actually, if you see in your map, we have different structures like anticlines, synclines, thrust faults, all of these. So now let me add these structure to the attribute table just like I have done it for the formations. So now let me okay, first of all, you will you don't you cannot add any field if you have left with the unsaved editings. If you have unsaved editings, you cannot add any field in the GIS. First, you have to save your edits first, like this. Now you can see that you can add fields here. Save it and now add field here. I will name it name, and in the long I will select text. If you see these short, long, big integer, float, double, it's actually the short integer, this short integer. It's actually a 16-bit integer type that can store whole number within a limit range, typically negative 32,768 to 32,000 positive 32,767. It's actually useful for storing small integer values like codes or categories. And we have also long integer. It's a long integer is a 32-bit integer type that can store a whole number within a larger range, typically negative 2.1 billion to positive 2.1 billion. It's suitable for storing larger integer values like IDs or counts. And we have also float. A float it's a data type that can store decimal numbers with the fractional parts like 3.14 or negative 0.5. Float are useful for storing continuous data like elevation, temperature, or coordinates. And we also have a double. Double is actually used for storing larger data, continuous larger data, just like float, but it's actually a larger, store a larger data, just like text, date only, time only. You can check all these. So I will save it from here. Now get rid out of this field structures. Now add all of the structures that are available within your map, like strike slip fault, thrust fault. I will not include unconformity for now. Syncline, anticline, anticline. Anticline, syncline, thrust fault, strike slip fault. All right, now save it from here. Now right click on the structures. You can check it so that it can appear here, or you can go to map and select this explorer. For no reason, I don't know, it's actually not responding. All right, now click on the structures and go to symbology. Select unique values, and in the field section select name. Now uh, include all other values, uncheck it. All right, so you have on the left hand side in the content pane, you have anticline, strike slip fault, syncline, and thrust fault. Now we will digitize it, and at the end we will give a symbol to all these features. First we have to digitize it or trace it. Now let me get rid out of this formation shapefile. Form, uncheck it. These are anticline. Okay, we have only one anticline here in our map. So select structure. Now go to edit. In the edit, select create feature, and now select anticline. I have selected, now trace it. Zoom in and trace it. Alright, now clear it, the selection. Alright, now uncheck the anticline and check sync line. We have different sync line. In the create feature, select sync line. Alright, clear the selection. Save edits. Save your project. Now uncheck the sync line and now strike slip. Strike slip faults. Create feature. Strike slip faults. These are straight lines, so you can add only two nodes to the line. Clear it. Now uncheck and select thrust faults. These are some of the thrust faults. Select thrust faults. Now let me trace it because this is a little bit curved line. Alright, now clear the selection. We have digitized or trace all of our structural feature as well. And these are the formations. In the next part, we will give symbols as well as different as well as colors to the formation. Sometime we need to give a specific color to the formation, like in RGB we have provided only the color numbers and we have to provide the color from that number. So we will learn how to give color from that number, or you can also add symbology to the already prepared symbols to the symbology, and you can give the color from that as well. All right, and also we will learn how to add abbreviation to the formation, and then we will apply a blend tool to our map at the end, and then we will in the end we will export our map.